How to delete your location history on your TikTok account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. You will just go first and open TikTok. Then when you open TikTok, automatically will open on home. You will just go to profile and open your profile. Then go to this three line and click, and then go to settings and privacy and click again. Then go to privacy and then go to location service. Then go to delete location history. Then you will click here delete, and that's it. It will work with you. That's it guys. I hope this video is useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel, and see you next time.